Curious if you can record IPTV on Nvidia Shield? You're not alone, and we're diving into it today. First up, let's explore if the Nvidia Shield is equipped for IPTV recording capabilities. Let's find out together. To start recording IPTV, you will need specific apps that support these functions directly on the device. One popular choice is using Android-compatible DVR apps, but there's more to setting it up and maximizing usage. However, be aware that not all apps have the same recording qualities or user-friendly interfaces for beginners. When choosing an app, consider the quality of recording, storage requirements, and playback options for convenience. Now let's talk about the potential limitations. Recording IPTV may face restrictions depending on service providers. Look into compatible services. We recommend 2tv.store. Excellent for an uninterrupted and reliable IPTV experience. Recording IPTV on your Nvidia Shield can turn it into a powerful entertainment hub offering amazing versatility. Ready to supercharge viewing with Nvidia Shield? Understand fixtures, avoid pitfalls, and unlock IPTV recording functionality. Hit subscribe for more insights. Discover 2tv.store today. They redefine how you experience your IPTV journey.